Hi, my name is Piyush Jain. I'm from LTTS. It's a pleasure to be here at the nasscom AI conference. I'm here to talk about the framework that we have developed, which has won an award today. It's called AI Driven Asset Health Framework. This particular framework is a solution we have built for companies that are struggling with predictive maintenance. As you know, most companies actually require data sets to really understand when the systems will fail, and we were getting many customers who were coming to us struggling with data sets and also their ability to predict failure and downtime of the systems. So we took it upon ourselves as a challenge that how can we build an AI model for tracking and monitoring assets that can help us and help the customers predict downtime. So we actually built a ML based model where we actually used anomaly detection algorithms and built an AI framework on top of our asset health framework, which not only monitors the assets in the field, but it also tracks in terms of the data that comes in. And without too much of a historical data, using physics and data-based model, it is able to predict the downtime. Now, this has come out as a real savior for many companies who are looking at this solution, and we are taking this to multiple customers to ensure that we are able to bring effective costs down for them as they maintain their plants. Now, the challenge that we faced was one, obviously, experts who understand the data. Because I am from the digital group where we understand technology very well. But how do you understand domain and make sense of it to build an AI model that is applicable to them? So that was our biggest challenge, to get hold of domain experts to help us build out the model and train it. And the best practice that we learned was that when you are looking to solve problems with AI, understand the problem that the customer is facing, get deeper into it, and really come out with effective solutions that can help them. Theoretical POCs are good to showcase the technology, but when you want to solve a business problem, it needs to be a problem appreciation, problem structure, and then developing a solution for that. So this is our AI-driven intelligent asset health framework.